Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel Geography with Narendranath. Today talk about NTA NET 2020. There are answer key geography paper 2 answer key provided by UGC NTA NET 2020. These are the geography question. Their code 613. Their household registered in Japan was known by the name. There are the definitely their answer is 3. Koseiki is the correct answer. And next question, there are the question ID 648. There are question ID 648. Who is among the following is an example of nodal region? Nodal region, definitely their answer is national capital region is the correct answer. Option is 2 is the correct answer. And there are the next question. The sand dune form as long inaugurate ridge originated at right angle to the wind direction are known as definitely their option is 3. There are the transverse dune. Transverse dune is the correct answer. Option is 3 is correct answer. And there are the next question. The given below are two statements due to the and increase of pressure near the ocean bottom, the density also increase from surface toward the depth. And statements 2, if the light surface water is driven away by winds and dense surface water upwell on the surface. In the light above statement, choose the correct answer option of the given. There are the correct answer is the 1 is the correct answer. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. This is the correct answer. Question number 656 ID. Their correct answer is 1. And next question, the zone of assimilation and zone of discord, these terms are related to the delimitation of their definitely their question is the answer is 3 CBD of a city. This is the correct answer, CBD of a city. And next question, the characteristics of the countries engaged in subsistence farming include. There are the important question, and the correct answer is 4 A, B and C, and there are the option is correct A, B and C. There are the developing economy and high density of population and low level of technology. This is the correct answer. Option is 4 is the right answer. Next question, there are the Riverland theory was presented by M.J. Spikeman in the definitely their option is the 2 1942. 1942 the Riverland theory was presented by M.J. Spikeman. Correct answer is 2. And the next question is, which of the following statement is not true for given revolution in India? This is the very important question, and the option is 3. Only B is the correct answer. Only B. The green revolution ensured increase the productivity among the select crops. Option is the 3 is the correct answer. And next question, which of the following surface area covered by a solar beam 1 meter with and known with the vertical sunlight? Basically this question is answer is 1m with the option is 1 is the correct answer. And the next question, given there below are two statements. There are the statement 1 and 2, same type of question. The Darwin theory of the origin of species almost conform to the law of uniformitarianism, and there are the heritable variation in the individual species. Heritable, this is the statement 1 and 2, and the correct answer is the 1. Both statement A and 2 are correct. And the next question, there is the histogram is associated. Histogram is associated with which one of the following data distribution? This is very interesting question, and there are the definitely this answer is 1 is the correct answer. Discrete frequency distribution is the correct answer is 1. And next question, the identify the process of heating of ocean water. Basically, the absorption of radiation from the sun and transpiration of the kinetic energy, melting of the polar ice, violence of the ocean law. Choose the correct answer. Basically, there are the correct answer option is 3, A and B. There are the absorption of radiation from the sun and transformation of kinetic energy is the correct answer. A, B is the correct. And there are the next question, the match, very interesting question, and there the matching there Weaver, E.M. Hoover, A. Pratt, D. M. Smith, and there are the name of book, and sometime I advise you and my video there are the match book name and author name every time internet. Who is the correct answer? This question, the correct answer is option is 4. A, definitely there are the option is 4, theory of location industry, E. Weaver, and B, A. M. Hoover. A. M. Hoover basically written the location of economic activity, and C, A. Pratt. A. Pratt is wrote behavior and location, the foundation for the geographic and dynamic location theory, and D is 1, D. M. Smith, the industry location and the economic geographical analysis. The correct answer is 4. And next question, the given the assertion and reason. Assertion and reason question, this type of question is very important for internet. There assertion, there are the assertion A, the location climate factor put the Mackinder heartland and relative disadvantage in the compared to certain other larger and well-do area to the world, and reason there are the heartland was the region the permanent difficult because it is the located in the result extreme climate. And this type question, they are definitely their answer is 1, both A and R true correct, and R is correct expression of A. A is the correct answer, option 1 is the correct answer. And next question, there is the introduction to the application of geography, of history and the geographical distribution of mankind are the work of. This is the this question, this option is 2, the Frederick Redgel. Frederick Redgel is the correct answer, option is 2 is the correct answer, Frederick Redgel. And next question, which of the following earthquake earthwaves are more destructive at the epicenter? Basically these are the correct answer. S wave, these are the option is 1 is the correct answer. And next question, the Arab scholar who made the correction of Ptolemy book, very interesting question. These are the Al-Idrisi is the correct answer, you know, Al-Idrisi. And next question, there are the question number 18, given the below are two statements, there are statement 1 and 2, and in any statement of constant mass energy in the either created nor destroyed, the statement 2, the energy flow in the ecosystem is not unidirection. This is the statement both, there are the question number option is 3 is the correct answer. The statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. This is the option is 3 is the correct answer. And must will was their question ID, and definitely must will match in your question ID. And who is one of the following latitude has no surplus and no defect heat balance in the northern hemisphere? There are the question, definitely answer is 38 degree, option 3 is the right answer. And next question, given the two statement, there are the statement 1, the consumption of oxygen has increased after the industrial revolution in 1860, and statement 2, the Brazil and India use more oxygen annually than other country of the world. And this is the correct answer is the option is 3. The statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. And the next question, which of the following map average slope and relative relief are shown simultaneously. There are the option is definitely 1 is the correct answer. There are the there are the topographic map, basically correct answer option 1 is the correct answer. And next question, the given the adjacent and region question, the von Thunen aggregate, the sectoral field are the most irrational and reducing the time of spent by the farmer in traveling around the farm. And there are the reason the sectoral field are not common, but they are used in varying farming the system and environment. And this is the statement, the question. There are the correct answer is A is not correct, but R is correct. The option 4 is the right answer. And next question, there are the which of the following percentage of the frequency between the range 0 to plus 1 standard deviation. This is the very important this type question, the newly question cried, and there are the correct answer is option 4. There are 47.73% is the correct answer. And next question, the give the below are the two statement. There are the all moving object by virtue of their motion are capable to doing work, and potential energy is the energy of motion. This is the statement. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from this given answer. There are the question. Definitely the statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. The option is 3 is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer. And next question, there are the assertion and reason. Assertion and reason, the globalization has resulted in the widening inequalities between the forward and backward state in India. And reason, there are the organized sector provide 63% of net domestic product, but the provided employment to 93% workforce. And their answer is definitely there are the A is correct, but R is not correct. The option 3 is the correct answer. And next question, the what is not true about international trade in past and the globalization phase. This is the answer. Their answer is definitely there are the answer is the 3. The regional comprehensive advantage in is on decline. The correct answer is 3. And next question, the match, there are the mist, snow, gravels and split, and so there are the definitely their match. Option A, their mist basically 0.005 to 0.05, and B, their snow basically in the 1 mm to 20 mm, and C, there are the 2 to 5. So definitely the answer is 4 is the right answer. Next question, there are the which the following group of landforms is produced by erosion. Definitely the erosion produced by erosion, landform in the produce erosion, there are playa, pinnacles, potholes. Right answer is 1. There are the question. And next question, which of this is not a type of federal state? This is the correct answer is composite is the correct answer. Option is 3 is the right answer. And next question, which one of the following river does not flow through the Himachal Pradesh? Does not flow to the Himachal Pradesh. Question number, there are 3 is the right answer. Jhelum, there are the right answer. And next question, there are the which following two source carbon is released. There are the volcanic eruption and combusting fossil fuel, landslide and opening mine. And definitely their answer is 1, A and B only, volcanic eruption and combusting of fossil fuel. And definitely their answer is 1, option is the right. Next question, there are the assertion and reason. Globalization rise to degree of independence resulting in the laser control over the domestic economy and the loss of economy sovereign. And reason, there are the globalization promote consumption culture that may not be the consonants and with the lifestyle and value of all countries. Their option both are true, both are correct, but R is not correct exclusion of A. The option is 2 is the correct answer. And next question, there are three well defined phase in the international trade, and second phase, which is the market with mobility factor in the production remaining in the focus during the option is the right answer. Option is 3, 1970s to 1990. Option is 3 is the correct answer. Next question, assertion and reason. At present, the government sector is the largest consumption information technology IT service in India, and the reason that Indian companies have out to the performed MNC in the total revenue and even IT export market share. There are the question both are true, but R is not correct expression of A. This is the answer is 2 is the right answer option question. And next question, the Arabian Sea Bridge and Bay of Bengal Bridge Indian monsoon that merged together offer which of the following region? The Punjab and adjoining Himalaya, Central India, Northeast Indian state and Western Ghat. This is very important question. So definitely the answer, the Punjab and adjoining Himalaya is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, the given assertion and reason. The globalization of production is committed to the globalization trade, as one cannot function without the other, and the reason, the scale, volume of efficiency of international trade have all continued to the increase since in 1970 due to the ongoing process of global space time convergence. This is the question, both are true and R is correct expression of A. So definitely answer 1 is option is the correct option 1 answer. And next question, there are the RIA is example of very common question RIA. There are option definitely 1 submerged upland shore. Option 1 is correct answer. Next question, the reason and assertion in area of intensive subsistence agriculture, animal husbandry is the major, and sideline the crop farming, and the reason the throughout the region the farmer are and kept in the reason cattle due to the lack of scientific method of breeding the animal. They are definitely both are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Option 2 is correct answer. And next their question, there are the question type of clouds. Basically choose the correct answer from option upward sequence. Basically upward sequence must be choice the upward sequence. So the definitely their option is that 2 is the correct form, and there are the stratus and stratocumulus and altostratus and cirrus. This is the correct form. Option is 2 is the correct answer. And next question, the dry point settlement are common in, and there are the deltas, desert, mountain and rain shadow area. So there are definitely there are mountain region is the correct answer. The draw point settlement basically mountain region, their option is 2 is the correct answer. And next question, there are the assertion and reason, the field operation transfer BOT, there is scheme under which the public operator are invited to construct road and bridge, and the reason the National Highway Act has been amended to the facility provide invested under BOT scheme. So there are the definitely the option A is correct, but R is not correct. Option 3 is the right answer. And next question, there are the choose correct answer from the option given below. There are which of the following is not associated with the political geography? Is not only Yvonne, R. Johnson, Radgel, and H. J. McIntyre. Basically, there are the option B only the Johnstone is the correct answer. It's not associated the political geography. Basically, कौन political geography से associated नहीं है. Their correct answer is R. Johnston, not the political geography. The option is 3 is the correct answer. And next question, who among the following scholar advocate the policy of delivered in balance the development? There the option is there are the Amidal, A.O. Herman, A.G. Frank, R. Norke. So definitely there are the option 2 B only, option 2 A.O. Hertzman, the deliberate imbalanced development and the policy. There are the B is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer, B only. And next the question, slope replacement was propounded by. You know, there is a very common question, the slope replacement. The answer is 2 A. Penck is the correct answer. And the next question, who is the following the elevation up to the Cooper? There are AF type of climate, Köppen basically, their spelling mistake. Köppen's AF type of climate extent from the mean sea level. There are question number here 45. There are option 1000 meters. Option 1 is the correct answer. And next question, which of the following technology, there are the techniques is correct to show inequality to given distribution? Basically, there are the option is Lorentz curve is the definitely right answer. The option is 4. And next there are question match. There are the match this question, and definitely the Banial Pass, the Jammu and Kashmir, and the Banial Pass. The Banial Pass option is 3. There are the Jammu and Kashmir, and B there are the Banial Pass. There are the Himachal Pradesh, and C the Jilawala Pass, C Sikkim, and D there are the Lipu Lake Pass is the one Uttarakhand. The option definitely there 4 is the right answer. Right answer is 4. And next the question, the assertion and reason the moon's high tides time like in S day in 50 minutes, the total duration required to complete the total 2 cycle of the high and low latitude any place in the 24 hour 50 minutes. So definitely their question answer is the both true and R is the correct expression of Y. So definitely option is 1 is the correct. And next question, there are match list 1 and the settlement type, and there are the pattern. Very interesting question. There are the definitely there are the match. A basically there are random pattern, and B there are the uniform, and C there are the clustered, and D there are the more clustered than uniform. The option 1 is the correct. Option 1 is the correct. And next question, there are the heartland, and same there are the match heartland, dreamland, classification of state, and law of terrestrial growth of state. Okay, there are the option, there are the heartland, definitely McIntyre, and rimland, there are the spikemen, and there are the classification of state, there are the van Valkenburg, and law of terrestrial growth of state, there are the red gel. Option 1 is the correct answer, correct match. The option 1 is the correct answer. And next question, two-dimensional diagram are also known as, two-dimensional diagram also known as, there are the option 4 is the definitely right answer. Two-dimensional diagram are also known the area basically. There are the NTA net answer key, and 4 is the right answer. And next question, the match, there are the match A, rank coefficient method, Kendall, and crop yield and concentration idea, definitely there are the Jasbir Singh, and there are the C, carrying capacity of land, there are the match Dudley stem, and D, index productivity, there are the M Safi. So definitely answer is one option is the correct. And next there are the question, studying the special health issue and domestic politics and the security issue and the international democracy is nutrient in political geography. It is termed as there are the option is 2, meta geopolitics is the correct answer, meta geopolitics. And next question, who enunciated the 4th stage in the evolution of the space economy basically. Choose the correct answer, only there A, B, C, D, and John Friedman, Karl Marx, Ronald F. Walbert, and August Laws. Their option is 1. There are the John Friedman, the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct. Next there are the next question, assertion and reason. The laterite soil is formed under the condition of high temperature and high rainfall with alternate wet and dry period. And there are the reason, the laterite soil swell generally and become streaky when with the rainy season and also known as self-flocked. So there are the question is the option is 3 is the right answer. A is correct but R is not correct. 3 is the right answer. And next question, there, who is one of the following recycle period is correct for oxygen? There are the question, and definitely there are 2000 years. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, who is one of the following process is related absorption of the inorganic salt water by the plant roots? So there are the definitely option is the osmosis is the correct answer, osmosis. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next there match, there are the match thermal contraction theory is the definitely Jeffrey J, and theory of geosyncline basically they are Hell and Dana, and theory of sea force spreading, you know, there are the Harry Hess, and there are the doctrine of unifermentism, there are the James Hutton. So definitely option is 4 is the right answer. And next question, the consider the following statement and regulating the Weaver method of the crop combination, and choose the correct answer. There are the 59 question number, definitely answer is A and C. There are long question, must you will read here. A and C is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. And next question, there are the match, the moraines basically glacier, and silt basically river, and loess basically wind, and dripstone basically there are the underground water. So option definitely there are the option 1 is the correct answer. And next question, identify the correct relative humidity of an air mass with saturation mixing ratio at the 25 degree centigrade is the 20 gram, and hydrogen vapor, their content is 5 gram. So there are the answer is 3, 25% is the correct answer, option 3. And the next question, there are the who is one of the following curve is correct to show cumulative frequency distribution. Very near question. There are the this question, the correct answer is Ozife, option 2 is the correct answer. And next question, the digitizing or scanning are example of which GIS producer. Very common this type question. Definitely their answer is data acquisition, option 2 is the correct answer. And the next question, given the assertion and reason, there are elevation in the Iceland or site the volcanic eruption, and convergent plate margin or site of volcanic eruption. Okay, there are the both are true. Both are true, but R is not correct expression of A. Option 2 is the correct answer. And next question, there are the who is one follow this method commonly used estimate the numerically in the change and taking place in the other sector industry and the bringing about that change in other sector of the economy. Basically, and there are the question answer is the 3, option C, basically input output analysis is the correct answer. Input and output analysis, option 3 is the correct answer. And next question, their match the fundamental of ecology, and fundamental of ecology basically E.P. Odum, and their India's water wealth basically K.L. Rao, and geology of India, there are the D.N. Wadia, and dams and earthquake H.K. Gupta. So their option is 2 is the correct answer, option 2. And next question, which of the following component does not match in the Darwin theory origin of the species? Basically there are the question option is 1, the natural hazards, basically option here answer is the correct 1, natural hazards. And next, the who among the following geographer laid down the foundation of taxonomy of general various species geography. These are the Wenham Barnium, the correct answer option 4. And next, there are the hypermarkets are shopping and center located. These are the 3 is the correct answer, out of town. This is the 3, option 3 is the correct answer, out of town. And next question, assertion along the water vapor carbon dioxide is largely responsible for the oxygen house greenhouse effect of the atmosphere, right, and the carbon dioxide is not an important heat absorber. So definitely there are the answer is 3, A is true but R is false. This answer option 3 is the correct. And next question, who is the following statement true for the vector data method in GIS? And there are the it is the simply data model and has low categories output quality. It is the compact data structure and has the high cartographic output quality. It is the characterized by case of data processing. It is the same data collection process as it was less expensive technology. So there are the definitely their answer is the option 2, B, basically B only. It is the compact data structure and has a high cartographic output quality, the true following vector data model in the GIS. And the next question, assertion and reason, the land capability approach is that where land was graded according to the susceptibility of to soil erosion under differing the farming and forestry system of the production, and reason the most demanding system of the production would therefore concentrate on their best of the most extensive on the poorest land. This is the this question, both are true, correct, but R is not correct expression of A, so definitely answer is 2, option is 2 is the correct. Next question, there are the who is on the following percentage of the solar radiation reflected back and the scattered to space. 30%, option 3 is the right answer. And next question, there are the international boundary between India and Pakistan was determined after the person who is type of boundary in this definitely their boundary is cultural boundary. 1 is the correct answer. And next there are question match their question, their match is sodium chloride, so definitely 27.21, and magnesium chloride there are the 3.807, and magnesium sulfate there are the 1.658, and calcium sulfate there are 1.260. There are definitely 1 is the correct option, 1 is the answer, correct answer. And next question, identify the person who defined pollution as the presence and large of substance to or energy pattern whose have been the environmentally produce have outlived their purpose. And these are the answer here, and there one Lord Kenneth is the correct answer, option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, there are the who is of the following the correct sequence and the contributor of the development Greek geography, and the many times the internet there are contributes the Greek geography. There are the option is 3 is the right answer, Anaximander, Herodotus, Eratosthenes and Hipparchus. This is the option 3 is the correct answer. And next question, read the following statement regarding the hyposmetric curve. Basically this question, and the A and D is the correct sequence. It show the area height relationship of the drainage basin, and there are the D, they are simplified way to characterize the shape of hyposmetric curve for any drainage basin is to calculate the hyposmetric integral. The option is A and D are correct, option 3 is the right answer. And next there are the concept of primate city was given by Jefferson. Primate city there are the 1939 is the correct answer, 1939, option 3 is the correct answer. And next question, their match Monadnock definitely river, and Blind Valley, so groundwater, and there are the Drumlin basically glacier, and the Drake and Tar wind. This is the definitely 1 is the correct option in this question. And next question, who is following the following type of landforms differ from the other based of their mode of formation. Basically these are answer is 4, dripstone. And next question, who among the following defined geography as a chronological science? Geography is a chronological science. There are the correct answer is geography is a chronological science. There are the Hettner, and J is the correct answer, option 2. And next question, who is among the following statement are true for the declaration in agricultural growth in post reform period? This is there are the option the declaration in public and general investment in the agriculture, and dwelling from the site, failure to the develop new technology, progressive land reforms. So here option is 4 option A, B and C is the correct. There are period and the agriculture growth post reform period. Option is 4 is the right answer. Next question, who is recognized as the founder of scientific marine meteorology? Very easy question. Scientific marine meteorology, basically there definitely answer M.F. Maury. Option 2 is the correct answer. And next question, who is one of the following quote correctly show the optimal location profitability in the different spatial cost, basically revenue situation in the diagram below. So their answer by NTA net, there are the answer is 2, B is the correct answer. And next there, who according Hartshorne had said the direction of geographic thought for the future. Basically there are the definitely option is 4, von Richthofen is the correct answer. And next question, there are assertion and reason. There are the thermal infrared energy in remote sensing is sensed by the radiometers, and their thermal infrared can neither be seen by human eyes nor can be photographed. So their option 1 both are true, and correct R is correct expression of A. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, who is one of the following connectivity matrix is the correct to show the given network of the 6 nodes? Very interesting question. And this question, the correct answer option is 2 is the correct answer. Option is 2. Next question, the raised wave the surrounding the geosyncline were called by Cuvier as. Very interesting question. There are option is 1 cartogen. This is the right answer. Next question, the who is one of the following is not a non-renewable resource? Very common and interesting question. Solar energy. This is the correct answer. Not a non-renewable resource, basically. Question number 90 here, their answer is solar energy, not a non-renewable resource, basically. So their renewable resource is the correct answer. So solar energy is the correct. Option 4. Next, their comprehension, and definitely their question continuously, there are the question ID 60, 88 and their 91 to 95 here their question. There are the question ID 688, their question ID is the correct answer here. Which of the following is the regional name the tropical cyclone in West India? So there are question is the hurricane is the right answer. Option 2. Next question, there are comprehension type question ID 690, there are the answer is 127 degree centigrade. And next there are the question ID 691 question ID, there are the cyclone activity in the northern hemisphere. So there are the answer is 4 summer and autumn. Summer and autumn is the right answer here. And next question, there are the which of the following elements is not associated with the tropical cyclone? There are the question number option is 4 is the right answer, dense fog. And must will match their question ID 687, their right answer is 4 option. And next their question, which of the following condition is essential to develop a tropical cyclone? Basically There are the right answer is option 3, plentiful supply of the moisture. Question ID 689. Next there question ID 695, question ID 695. There are the option is 125 is the right answer. Next there are the passage and question ID 693. Question ID 693, there are the question who is on the following relative frequency of the percentage for class limit. So here answer is option 2, 19.2. 19.2 is the correct answer. Next question, there are the question ID 697. Who is one of the following is the mode value of the given data? So here answer is 4 option, 441 is the right. And next there passage question ID 696. There are the correct answer is option 3, 843 is the correct answer. And next question, the who is of the following cumulative frequency, and there are the question ID 694. There are the correct answer is 2, option 40 is the correct answer. So there, thank you, must will watch, must will share, and must will watching my video, and thank you to all.